How to create 3 to 1 countdown timer with black background. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to create a countdown timer from 3 to 1 before it starts. First, create a new black video with default settings and drag it to the start of timeline and trim it so it is 3 seconds and 10 frames long. Now with the Type tool, type a 3 in the preview. Then drag the text layer above your black video and adjust its duration to match your black video. Now with text selected, go to Captions and Graphics tab. And under Edit tab, click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. Now go back to Editing tab and go move the playhead to exactly 1 second and with Razor tool add a cut. Then move it to 2 seconds and add another cut there. Now move the playhead over the middle cut, and the Type tool select its text and change it to 2. And move the playhead over the third cut, and set its text to 1. To add an audio to the timer, I downloaded a sound from Pixabay website and I use it here. Now select all the layers of the timer, and select Nest, and click OK. Then go to Effects panel and search for Dissolve and drag Film Dissolve into the end of your nested sequence. Then double-click on the transition and set its duration to 10 frames. At last, move your video to the end of your nested sequence. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.